Create your group. Welcome to Todo Groups. To kick things off, we're giving you 300 Todocoins, your group's built-in reward currency. Here's how to create your group. Go to the Groups tab. Click Create a new group at the bottom right. Choose a group name. Make it simple and easy to remember. Click the arrow button, and your group will appear in the list. Now you are ready to invite members. To make signing up easier for them, you can show a membership instruction video. Ask them to go to Todogroups.com, select members, and click Join a Group. Alternatively, share the QR code found on the Groups page for instant access. Once everyone is joined, you can lock the group through the settings icon to prevent new signups. If necessary, you can also delete the entire group. Newly joined members will appear in the Groups view. As the group leader, you have full control over group member details and can see how many Todocoins each person has. By clicking the expand icon, you can access the individual group member settings. From the Settings tab, you can edit members' names, reset lost passwords, customize avatars, divide members into blue or yellow subgroups, and remove members if needed. From the History tab, you can see a group member's purchases, rewards, and other activities. From the To-Dos tab, you can monitor a group member's progress on assigned tasks. Todo Groups offers various ways to reward members. Todocoins are earned by completing tasks. Members can redeem rewards in the reward shop. In the group view, you can manually add or deduct Todocoins for extra motivation, or even as a small penalty for mischief. Now that you understand the group view, let's create a to-do list.